Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying whether Excel is storing dates as text or serial numbers. Open the workbook and inspect a few problematic cells. If you see apostrophes or inconsistent formats, those are clues. Once done, change the cell format to general to reveal the underlying value and note whether it becomes a number. Make sure to save a copy of the sheet first. That protects you while you fix format and conversion issues without losing original data. Now you convert text strings into Excel dates. If entries are consistent, use date value or value in a helper column, equals date value A2 or equals value A2, then format as date. If formats vary, use text to columns with date option and select the correct DMY or MDY order. Once converted, copy the helper column and paste special values over the originals. Also, explain that regional settings matter because Excel parses day, month, year differently. So make sure parsing matches your Finish by applying your desired date format, for example YMMDD, so values display consistently. If some cells failed conversion, wrap formulas in IFRR and flag rows for manual review. Equals IFRR, date value A2, check. Make sure to remove hidden time values with INT, date, when you only need the date. If dates still look wrong, verify Excel's region/language settings and the original data source formatting. Changing the system locale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.